Executive Summary, Tutorial, and Instructions. The first written section of the business plan is the Executive Summary. This is a summary of the key points and areas of the business plan and is many times judged to be the most important section of the business plan. In the Executive Summary, the content presents the company and describes what it does. In the Executive Summary, briefly explain the company's products, and/or service, and why the business will be successful. The Executive Summary should be at the beginning of the document. As the first section, it should give the reader, either management, partners, investors, lenders, or other interested parties, a nice high-level review of what the overall business encompasses and the strategies it will follow. What is in the Executive Summary should be addressed in depth throughout the remainder of the business plan. The summary should touch on the sections and content that will be detailed in the business plan to give an overall understanding of what will follow. Be captivating, but not overly puffy, as to encourage the reader to want to get deeper into each section and read the whole plan. Make the main points about who, how, and what the company is and does. Given the fact that the Executive Summary is at the front of the business plan, usually read first, and encapsulates sections from the whole document, it becomes a key component of the business plan, and as such, needs to be strong and crisp. Pull in the reader by encompassing the main points of the business, but just give them high points so that they are enticed to read the rest of the document. A subheading in the Executive Summary is the Financial Summary. Here in the business plan, it is common to show the financial highlights for the company over the next few years of operation. Many times, a chart is used to convey the highlights of the financial summary. Financial outlooks, such as revenue, expenses, and profit, are charted here. The next subheading in the Executive Summary is the Mission Statement. The mission statement is a short declaration of who the company is, what it provides, and its beliefs. The overall philosophy of what the company advocates can be addressed in the mission statement. Finally, in the Executive Summary are objectives. Objectives for a company are clearly defined targets that are set by management or business owners. The marks the company intends to hit by executing on strategies in the plan are written here. Listing company objectives helps to give management and all stakeholders a clearer perspective on what targets the company expects to pursue. These targets do not have to only be financial. Looking at and reviewing objectives can give a means for a company to track growth and reflect on how the company is doing based on what it stated it would do. Objectives should take into account the desires of all those involved with the company. Using the Plug and Plan template to write an executive summary can be done by simply finding the yellow highlighted space on the page and entering your company name. There is also a blue highlighted space where you can type in the location of where you will be providing your services. If you would like to use the template content as a guide and make changes to the writing to best suit your exact business, you can do that as well. You're welcome to stay with the written content the company supplies if suitable for your business. Using the Plug and Plan template, the next page has a chart which provides a financial summary of the company's next 3 years of operations. This chart highlights total income and net income. After you have customized the financial statements for your specific company, you will want to return to this chart and make changes so that they match your new financial statements. By right-clicking this chart, a pop-out will appear. The pop-out will give you several options. You want to scroll down to Edit Data or Edit Data in Excel, and the data table will appear. Once you're in the table, type in and make the necessary changes to the figures. The Plug and Plan template provides a mission statement. You are welcome to use the statement as if it'll work for you, or change it if needed to match up to your exact operation. The Plug and Plan template also provides some sample example objectives for a company in this industry. You are welcome to use them as is if they will work for your specific company, or change if needed to match your exact operation. Hello, and welcome to the Business Plan Template tutorial. This document takes the user step by step through creating a business plan for a company. Each section of the business plan is covered with a tutorial and then followed by example content for a company operating in the industry. There are 3 options for writing your own company business plan using the hybrid business planning documents. 1. Read the instructional content and watch the videos to learn what is in each section of the business plan, then use the template format to write your own plan from scratch. 2. Read the instructional content and watch the videos to learn what is in each section of the business plan, then use the template and modify the sample content to fit your specific business. 3. Use the Plug and Plan template. This template is included in the package and consists of a sample/example content. This template has yellow and blue highlighted areas where users can simply type in specifics for their company, utilize all the sample content, and have a completed business plan. This lecture is on the Excel Financial Workbook for the Business Plan class. The class comes with an Excel workbook with several worksheets set up to create financial statement projections for a company in the industry. Download the Excel workbook, and as you go tab by tab through it, you will find instructions that direct the user on where to enter numbers in order to create a custom set of financial projections for their own business. The workbook has colored cells, which match up to the colored instructions for the cells. Move along the tabs, entering your own assumptions in the colored cells. The worksheets have many cell formulas that will automatically generate the financial statements once you are done. As discussed in the previous business plan lectures, an income/profit and loss summary should be included in the plan. The workbook generates this once you have entered your custom figures. Just copy and paste the income statement summary into the Word business plan document where it belongs. As discussed in the previous business plan lectures, a cash flow summary should be included in the plan. The workbook generates this once you have entered your custom figures. Just copy and paste the cash flow statement summary into the Word business plan document where it belongs. As discussed in the previous business plan lectures, a balance sheet summary should be included in the plan. The workbook generates this as well once you have entered your custom figures. Just copy and paste the balance sheet statement summary into the Word business plan document where it belongs. You will also want to paste the first year monthly income, profit and loss statement into the business plan Word document. And the first year monthly cash flow statement should be pasted into the business plan Word document as well. There are many other tabs in the workbook with various financial statements that are created for your use. You are welcome to paste any others you wish into the Word document business plan or use them for internal planning purposes.